Welcome to an Introduction to Charts and Graphs in Excel. We're going to look at what are the elements of a chart and what do they look like, what are the more common types of charts, and how to insert a chart into your Excel spreadsheet. This is a chart and these are the common elements that are shown in it. Every chart could have a title that you can put in yourself. They will often have an X and Y axis if it's a bar chart of this type. The Y axis goes vertically and the X axis goes across. You can add a legend if you like, and it will display data points for you. It may display lines in the back, and that's up to you with your formatting. There's different types of charts, and we're going to look at what the more common ones are that we're going to be using in this lesson. There are many other types of charts, but I'm just going to show you 4 of the most common. Charts. Bar charts are displayed horizontally, and it's very handy if your legend has got quite long words in it. Column charts are the same as bar charts. The only difference is that the data is displayed vertically. And again, you don't have a whole lot of room for your legend at the bottom. Pie charts are really handy if you've got just one series of data and you want to compare something to something else. Here you're comparing something to do with a bunch of clients maybe. It might be sales figures for a certain period of time, but you can easily see that Mr. Smith has got a smaller amount of the pie than Mr. Johnson. Line charts are really handy for displaying data over time. You can have time across the bottom and you can compare different series of data. So now we look at how we're going to insert a chart into our own Excel spreadsheet, and in the next topic we'll look at this in more detail. So the first thing you do before you start is that you select the data that you wish to create a chart from. Here we've selected some data which is in 2 columns, has names, and it has a series of data. When we click on the Insert tab on the top of the page, it then shows us a ribbon toolbar, and one part of it is to do with charts. Here it is blown up for your convenience. Recommended Charts is a new feature in Excel 2013. This looks at the data you select and it recommends charts for you that it thinks are the most useful for you. So in summary, we looked at what are the elements of a chart, what are the different types of charts and what do they look like for the more common ones, and how we would insert a chart into our own Excel spreadsheet. Thank you.